Dear student, yesterday already we have started exercise 6.2 and till 5th problem we have solved it. Today we are going to start 6th question. In 6th question, diagram is already given to you. It is given that PQ is parallel to AB and PR is parallel to AC. It is asked to prove BC is parallel to QR. So first we have considered this triangle. Now in this triangle we can see that the side of a triangle is parallel to this line. It means OA to AP, okay, that is equal to OB to BQ. Then we have considered this triangle and we got OA to AP, that is equal to OC to CR. This way we got two equations. Now from these two equations we can see their left hand sides are equal. So we can equate the right hand side and we will get the result like this. It means we are getting OB to BQ, that is equal to OC to CR. It means that BC is parallel to QR by the converse of BPT. In question number 7, it is given that for a triangle, midpoint of one of the side is given and line is drawn which is parallel to the second side. We have to show that the third side gets divided into two equal parts. Okay, it means we have to show N is the midpoint. Now in this triangle, MN is parallel to QR. So we can write down PM to MQ, that is equal to PN to NR. Okay, this will be our first equation by BPT. Now further it is given that M is the midpoint. It means MP and MQ will be equal. So their ratio will be equal to 1. But what is this ratio? This ratio is equal to this, which we have written as equation 1. Okay, so we are going to get PN to NR, the ratio is 1. It means both are equal and hence N is the midpoint of the PR, that is the third side. Now 8th question is just like that and it was given as a homework. It is given that E and F both are the midpoints. Okay, and we have to show that EF is parallel to BC. So what you can show, as E is the midpoint, so ratio of AE to EB, that is equal to 1. F is also a midpoint, so AF to FC, that is also equal to 1. Both the ratios are equal 1, so both the ratios will be equal and hence by converse of BPT you can show. In 9th question, a trapezium it is given, okay, and it is asked to prove this ratio. Okay, so for a trapezium we know that the one of the pair of opposite side is parallel, so AB is parallel to DC. Now diagonals are intersecting at point O, so we have drawn a line passing through O and parallel to DE. Okay, already it is given that OM is parallel to AB. Okay, into any one of the line you can draw the parallel. This we have drawn parallel to this. Already this is parallel to this. Okay, it means this line will be parallel to both the lines. Now we have considered this triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, OM is parallel to DC. So by BPT you are going to get this ratio. Okay, now next time we have considered another triangle in such a way that AD should be the side common. So we have considered the triangle ADC. Okay, now in this triangle ADC, OM is parallel to DC and hence we can write down this ratio. Okay, from equation 1 and 2 you can see that their left hand sides are equal. You can equate the right hand side. Now this is the fraction you got which are equal. We know that cross multiplication of the fraction will be equal and hence we can interchange BO to OC and OC to BO and you will get the required result. 10th question is just like that. We have to show just converse of the 9th one. We have to show AB is parallel to DC. What is given to us? It is given that the line is drawn parallel. Okay. So ratio is given here. This ratio is given, so we have just interchange as in the previous case, and we have done this construction. After the construction, you have to consider the triangle. This triangle, if you are going to consider, what you will get? You will get this ratio. Okay. Now from first and second equation, you can write down this. Okay, which will give you that AB is parallel to MD. Okay, but we have drawn, MO. You will get AB is parallel to MO. We have drawn MO parallel to DC. Okay, it means that MO is parallel to both the lines and hence they will be parallel to each other. So AB will be parallel to DC and hence it is a trapezium.